Okay, now we need to create an interference. New InfoWorks, network tools, interference. Interference tool is used to uh, assign the ground elevation to nodes. Okay, so we need to select nodes. Okay, and we will take out the interference. So automatically it will select the ground elevation from the ground model. See, all nodes has assigned the ground elevation, right? Yeah, this is the way. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Now we need to first assign the areas, chamber area of manhole. Yeah, okay, this the chamber floor plan area will be 1.5 square kilometers, sorry, square meter, not a square kilometer. Sorry, sorry, we need to use GIS flag, not GM. 1.5. 1.5. Okay, right, this is the way. Now we can do one thing, so we can change the symbology. Okay, this is not node themes. This will take the size. Can change the color, make it yellow. It will be a 4. Outfall will be 3, and its color will be pink, violet color. Okay, same for the conduit. We can increase the line width 3. Okay, if we want to put arrow, we can put it arrow also. Arrow thickness will be 2. Okay, and its color will be this one. Apply and okay, apply and okay. So you can see it. This is the your outfall, and these are the main holes. Okay, right. uh, Now, yeah, now you have to parameterize your subcatchments. Go to the window, then go to the subcatchment window. Okay, these are you need to change the system. It will be a storm. Okay, this is the runoff. Okay, impervious. It will be a S curve number volume. Okay, initial loss type will be SCS. Routing method will be your SCS unit hydrograph. Now come back to your subcatchments. You need to define the curve number. For example, its weightage value for the each catchments will be curve number is 70. Okay, lag time will be 6 minutes. Okay, 6 minute. Time of concentration will be user unit hydrograph definition will be use a TC. I'm going to say 10 minutes. Okay, the 60% of the time of concentration is the lag time. Okay, that's why we took this 6 minutes, right? Rest of the things is okay. So we have completed the parameterization of the network. Now we need to create design criteria and idea of and pipe catalog. Okay, so in the next video we will do that. Okay, so fine, thank you.